Ria posted a 9-second WhatsApp status Tuesday. Just a video of herself saying, "Happy birthday, Amma," laughing excited. By Thursday, someone was calling her mother, pretending to be Ria. Same voice, same laugh, same way she says Amma. Her mother transferred 45,000 before she called Ria back. The raw material for that video clone, the 9 seconds of audio from her WhatsApp status. That is all it took. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly 5 WhatsApp settings live on my phone that you need to change right now. Each one closes a specific door that scammers actively walk through. I'll explain what each setting exposes and exactly which scam it enables. Not in theory, but in practice, with real examples. And stay till the end because setting 4, the group setting, is the one that even the IT professionals I work with consistently missed. When I show you what it allows strangers to do to you, you will change it immediately. I promise you that. I am Amrita Gadarkar, a cybersecurity professional. Over the years, I have watched WhatsApp to go from messaging app to a single biggest attack surface for scammers targeting Indian families. Why? Because 500 million Indians uses it and almost all of them set it up once and never opened the privacy settings again. According to a 2026 OFR report, 47% of Indian adults have been victims of or know someone affected by an AI voice cloning or deep fake scams, nearly double the global average of 25%. WhatsApp status videos are primary audio sources scammers use for voice cloning because they are set to public by default. They are short, they are clear, and they capture your voice surroundings natural. That is not a future risk. That is right now. And 5 settings changed it today. Eliminate almost all of it. Open WhatsApp right now. Follow along on your phone. Setting 1. Profile photo. Tap settings. Select privacy and profile photo. Change from everyone to my contact. Why does this matter? Because your profile photo can be downloaded by anyone who has your number, including scammers, unknown contacts, and anyone you have ever texted. That photo is used in 2 ways: create a deep fake images and to build a convincing WhatsApp impersonation accounts in your name that target your family. One tap, done. Setting 2. Last seen online. Still in privacy, tap last seen and online. Set the last seen to my contacts. Set online to same as last seen only. Here is why the scammers care about this, because they watch when you are online to time their attack. If they know you are active on WhatsApp right now, they know you are distracted and processing information fast, which is exactly when they make the fake emergency call to your parents. Last seen data is a targeting tool. Remove it. When did you last look at these settings? For most people, the answer is never. Since setting up the phone, these settings were never designed with scammers in mind. They were designed for convenience. We are changing that right now. Setting 3. Status. Go to privacy, go to status and change to my contacts only. This is the voice cloning door. Your WhatsApp status is visible to my contacts by default. But if any of your contacts has shared your number with someone else, or if you have ever messaged someone you don't fully know, your status is reaching strangers. 9 seconds of your video saying anything in any contact is enough for a modern AI voice cloning tool to replicate you with 90% accuracy. Close this door completely. And setting 4. Groups. This is the one most people misses. Go to WhatsApp, settings, privacy and groups. Look at what it says. For most of you, it will say everyone. What does that mean? It means the stranger, anyone with your phone number, can add you to WhatsApp group without your permission. You cannot be notified first. You cannot decline. You simply appear in the group. Think about what scammers do with this. They create a group called HDFC Bank Customer Alert or Income Tax Department Notice or Investment Circle. They add 50 people to it, all of whom suddenly see they are in the group with people who seem to have the same issue. Social proof, authority, urgency, all engineered. Change this to my contacts right now. This means only people saved in your contacts can add you to a group. Anyone else must need a private invite first, which you can accept or decline later. Group setting. This one setting removes one of the most common vectors investment scam recruitment in India. Setting 5. Go to settings, account, two-step verification enabled. Set a 6-digit PIN. This is separate from your SIM OTP. It means even if a scammer successfully swaps your SIM card and gets your WhatsApp OTP, they cannot activate your WhatsApp on their device without this PIN. SIM swap attacks are rising in India. This setting is the last line of defense if everything else fails. So what to do right now? 5 settings. Here is the complete list. To a screenshot and share. Profile photo to my contacts. Last seen and online to my contacts. Status to my contacts only and groups also to my contacts only. Two-step verification enabled with a PIN you remember. Total time to change all 5 settings is under 4 minutes. One more thing. Once you have done this, go into your contacts list and delete the numbers you don't recognize. Every unknown number in your contacts is someone who can currently see your profile photo, your last seen, and add you to the groups. I want you to open WhatsApp right now and change setting 4 before you close this video. Just that one. Then come back and do the rest. As I promised you that the group settings would be the one you had not seen before. Now you have seen it. Strangers can add you to scam groups without your permission. Investment fraud, recruitment, fake bank alert groups, impersonation networks, all of it runs through WhatsApp groups. One setting closes that door completely. 4 minutes, 5 settings. None of them cost anything. Send this video to one person in your family who uses WhatsApp. This is all I ask.